Acumatica Manufacturing Edition provides the best business management solution for digitally resilient companies. Built for mobile and telenetwork scenarios and easily integrated with the collaboration tools of your choice, Acumatica delivers flexibility, efficiency, and continuity of operations to growing small and mid-market manufacturers. Transform your organization with a modern business management platform designed for discrete and process manufacturers. Acumatica's Manufacturing Edition helps you manage production and job costs with insights into performance. Define bills of material and operations for production and estimates with engineering change control. Maximize resource utilization with finite capacity scheduling and MRP. Balance supply and demand with sales orders, purchasing, and inventory. Streamline data collection with barcodes for warehouse and manufacturing activities that flow into the robust financial suite for analysis and reporting. Acumatica provides a modern experience for every employee. Unlimited user licensing enables collaboration for the factory floor, front office, and mobile employees. Role-based workspaces connect data and processes for operations, management, and shop floor workers. Empower front office R&D staff, schedulers, material planners, and estimators with adaptable applications. Connect remote sales teams and field service technicians with mobile applications, reports, and notifications. Acumatica supports mixed-mode manufacturing for discrete make-to-stock and batch processing on a single platform. Multimodal manufacturing features automate make-to-order environments, including assemble-to-order, configure-to-order, engineer-to-order, and job shops. And project accounting integration provides a modern platform for project-centric manufacturers. Acumatica provides best-in-class functionality for manufacturers in varied industry segments, such as fabricated metal products, industrial machinery and equipment, electronics and electrical equipment, architectural products, instruments and medical devices, food and beverage, home goods and furnishings, and other manufacturing industries. With Acumatica, you have everything you need to manage operations and automate supply chain activities. Streamline engineering, planning, and production processes. Reduce the engineering to manufacturing handoff with flexible bills of material and engineer change control. Create custom BOMs from estimates or with the rules-based product configurator. Optimize inventory with MRP, master production scheduling, rough cut capacity planning, and finite scheduling. And balance supply and demand with sales, purchase, and transfer orders. Manage production orders and monitor shop floor activities with barcoded data collection for real-time insights into WIP for material, labor, and outside processing costs. Acumatica Manufacturing Edition comes with a full suite of financial and business intelligence applications, extending the system with native service management, project accounting, payroll, CRM, e-commerce, and point of sale. Know what's happening across your organization with role-based dashboards. Drive production meetings with live data and drill downs to detailed transactions via flexible generic inquiries. Easily tailor manufacturing reports to monitor production costs and resource utilization with native connections to Microsoft Power BI for advanced manufacturing analytics. Transform your business with tangible benefits for employees, customers, and suppliers. Sell more with embedded CRM, retail apps for showrooms, counter sales, and commerce connectors. Reduce scrap, implement just-in-time strategies, and analyze costs to drive continuous improvement initiatives. Build better products faster with engineering automation and quality control. Exceed expectations with capable to promise and streamlined order management. Capture data faster with barcodes and backflushing. Create tailored workflows and connect equipment and systems. Time phase material requirements and optimize resources for improved throughput. Discover why Acumatica is rated highest in usability and how manufacturers transform their businesses with automation on a mobile, adaptable, and extensible platform.
It's a very simple commitment, just bringing comfort. That's what Porticool offers, is a very environmentally friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional air conditioning. Those fans you see on the NFL sidelines.
We did not have a lot of visibility prior to Acumatica. We captured serial numbers, but after we captured them, we had nothing to do with it.
One of the deficiencies that we had with our existing ERP system is just not able to get the reporting in a very timely manner so that it ultimately becomes actionable.
I went to the leadership team and expressed a concern that we're not going to be able to continue our growth with